Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here. So I'm gonna do the recap now of the 60 packs unboxing, and I left 8 packs unopened from box number 2. Let me show you some of the stuff that we gotten so far. Some of the inserts that we got from the 60 packs. All right, we got this nice shiny card. This is a chromium card of Tracy Bingham. So pretty cool, Tracy Bingham. We got this nice chromium card of Raquel Gardner. Pretty nice. We got this nice chromium card of Nikki Ziering. Pretty cool. Here's the back to that. We got this nice foil card of Rochelle Lowen. We got this foil card of Bridget Marquardt. This is from box number 2, the 60 packs. We got this 50 Hot Moms Trudy Palace, which we also got in the first box. 50 Hot Moms of Cassandra Lynn, which we hit that box topper in this same box. We got a Taylor Marion Bootcamp. Where's the back to that? We got a Jessica Burciaga Bootcamp. There's the back to that. We got a Andrea Lowe All-American. There's the back to that. Salute. And then we did hit 3 additional autographs. We got Holly DeRoe from Bubblegum. And there's the back to that. We got also from Bubblegum, we got this Taylor Marion 2013 Bubblegum. And there's the back to that. And in 2013 Bubblegum, we got a Brittany Lauren from 2012 or 2011. So that was kind of strange to find this card in the Bubblegum set of 2013. And there's the back to that. All right, so let's go ahead and finish up this box by opening up these additional packs that we have here. I left, like I said, I left 8. So let's go ahead and open up the first pack. In the first box, we got 3 autographs from the old 1992 Premier Edition. So that's why I left a few of these. I left 3 of these in case we get another. We got base, base, we got base, we got base, base, base. We got base, 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 and base. Number 2, we got base, base, got base, base. Let's see, it's focused, make sure it's focused. Got base, base, base. We got base, and base, and base. So nothing there. Third pack. Got base. Got base. Got base. Base, base. Base, base, base. So all base cards here. Let's go ahead and move on to 2005 Series 1. See if we can get an auto here. Definitely not a swatch because it's so thin. So maybe we can get a Kiss card. I know there's Kiss cards in this. You got base, 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 base. So all base cards here. Let's go ahead and open up 2013 Bubblegum with Carmen Electra. Ooh, looks like we got a hit. Got base, base. Got base, 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 and we did get a hit of Alicia Johnson. So nice hit of Alicia Johnson. So we got additional 4 autographs. additional 4 autographs. We got, let's see, base, 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 and all base cards there. Let's go ahead and open up this one, 2005 Series 1. Oh, we got a hit. Let's go ahead and move that to the back. All right, so we're gonna get additional 4, 5. We're gonna have 6 autographs additional from the 60 pack break. Base, 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 and our autograph is Jen Sibley, blue ink, Jen Sibley auto, and there's the back. So there's our additional autograph. And let's go ahead and open up 2005 Signature Series so we know there's a hit here. All right. And I know there's inserts and kiss cards in this one. And there's also red backs. So let's see. Base, 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 base. And our autograph is, ooh, it's a double. Oh, nice. I've never seen this card. Alex Agar and Lana Kinnear. This must be a red back. Let's see if it's a red back. Yes, it is. It's a red back. Oops. 9 out of 20 red back. Never ever seen this card. Alex Agar and Lana Kinnear. So awesome. Sweet. 60 pack break right there. Awesome. Like I said, we got an additional 3, 4, 5, 6 additional cards. That's what I like about Eclectic. For $29, you can't beat that. $49, you get so many hits. Great value. All right, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on box number 3. Thank you.